Hi everyone, so we're going to be embroidering onto our B330R beanies today. I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks on how to get the best results when you're decorating on this type of product.
So I have my beanie here. We're just going to embroider onto the cuff. There's a few things you'll need for this. I have a few sheets of backing paper. I have a tearaway plastic film. And I have a tubular embroidery hoop. Now I'm going to start by turning out the cuff. It is a double cuff, so just make sure you're pulling all the cuff out so it can lie nice and flat. Now we're going to be embroidering onto the front knitted patch. This gives you a really nice area to embroider onto. Start by placing my backing papers inside, just behind where my embroidery will go. I'm using 3 sheets of medium backing here. I can then place in the back of my hoop. It is quite a thick knit, so my hoop's set quite loose. Now before I place the front of my hoop on, I'm going to place over a sheet of tearaway film. This is important when you're embroidering onto anything knitted, just so the stitches don't get lost within the knit. I can now place the front of my hoop on, just line it up nice and straight. I'm making sure not to pull on the beanie or stretch it in any way as I place the front on. I'm then just going to put a little dot in the centre of where my embroidery will go. This will make it a lot easier to line up once it's in the machine. Once the hoop's nice and tight, this can be popped into the embroidery machine. So I've just popped my beanie into the machine. I've made sure none of the hat is caught under the carriage. My design is loaded, and now I'm just going to lower the needle slightly so I can line it up perfectly in the center. Move it around a little bit and give it a trace. Alright, fab. Once I'm happy with that, I can set my machine to run. Alright, my embroidery is just finished. I can now remove the hoop and tear away the plastic film. Pull out any little bits of film that might be left within any letters or in the design, and tear away the backing. So I can just pull the cuff the right way now, fold it in, and pull the beanie back through, giving you a lovely embroidery just on the front of the cuff.